Everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to create this custom slider using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Guys, don't forget to get the source code, link will be in the description in my GitHub. And please like and subscribe to my channel, it would really help me to upload more videos in daily basis. And it don't cost you anything. 0 to 100, 100 to 0, 0 to 100, 100 to 0. So this is what we're going to create. I hope you guys are excited. Let's get started. Okay guys, first of all we are going to create HTML, and guys, this project is a small project. It will take around 3 to 4 minutes to complete. Next we are going to have a div of 0. Class is going to be 8. And CSS, we are going to CSS, and we are going to have a body, and it's going to have margin of 0, padding of 0, and justify self unset and alignment self unset. And margin block is going to be start. It's going to be a margin block going to be 0, and margin inline is going to be start, and margin inline end is going to be 0. And we are going to have background color of red, and we are going to have our div, enter, display flex, justify content center, align item center, height of 100 viewport, and background color of blue, and that's it. Okay guys, this is for a project. HTML CSS has been done. Let's get started with our JavaScript. Consist equal, before consist guys we have to add a consist of document, and document going to have a get element by ID, and add event listener, alert you, and that's it. Next we are going to start a console.log hello world. We're going to change the hello world is going to become range, consist is going to be range slider guys. So we enter, we're going to have consist, enter of consist right, and add event listener function. So we don't need this, we need only this. And yeah guys, we did our HTML, we did our CSS, we did our JavaScript. Now let's see the final outcome of this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed coding this project with me. And don't forget to get the source code, link will be in the description in my GitHub. Let's see the final outcome. Okay guys, we will right click, show preview, and as you can see it's looking great. We'll see if this works. It functions great. So we will click and we will slide. Nice, it works from 0 to 48, 48 to 50, 50 to 67, 83, then 100. It works nicely. So you can get the source code, link will be in the description. Again guys, please subscribe to my channel, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next. Peace.